My brother, come cooperate in this before I go, please.
Okay, continue.
Yeah, because this particular voice remind me of something.
Okay.
This 360 turn around of shows that there is her secret. Maybe these people have her root that makes her turn that 60 degree. Because this is not only money they gave to her. I'm telling you the fact. Because if you can understand this particular voice she sent to Ogen Kere, this woman have had something with Ogen. And another thing is that, this is the reason why sometimes when people say, be careful in this movement, respect yourself, so people don't understand it. I remember when they went to this protest in London, there was that time it was in US. There was a girl that time. They knocked the girl. After knocking her, they gave her 10 euro.
Okay.
They bring her out of media.
That is
they knock the girl with 10 euro.
That is
don't respect her. Herself. I forgot that girl name. They knock her with 10 euro when they went to protest in London.
Okay, that I think it was.
Also, why she don't have sense. After knocking her, they still bring her out when everything change. This is exactly what's happening to this woman now. This is Ishocha now.
Anyway,
being even under all this they cannot forget what they have been doing. They can't forget it because why they are easy to get. It's very easy to get her. You can set her up. Somebody will just chat her. She will forward what she's to open. She will forward and follow the person. Go to the NACA and let her video and bring it on. They will use it and say, I choose it. It's very easy because you don't have class.
Oh, that is even the go.
You don't have class.
Hello.
So this is not only about money they give to her that makes her change like this. Something it's all about that egg. I'm telling you the fact. It's all about that egg. This woman, there is something about her they have. She's avoiding it to come out to media. I'm telling you the fact.
Anyway, I understand what you're saying, but my own opinion, I don't think because you are not the only one that said it. Many people have said that, honestly, but it could be true. But the kind of person that I'm seeing from her, I don't think is about nude. She needs this control and power more than anything. She needs to be seen as, you understand, the leader, Her Excellency, or if you're not going by far. So maybe they have it. I'm not sure. And so please, I don't know her job or if you have done that, so I don't want to get myself involved on that. Okay, so let's continue.
Hey, okay. This love is too sweet, though. Very sweet love. Yeah, I'm just telling her, look, you cannot run away from okay. You must go back to okay. You go nowhere. Okay, you must enjoy your okay. I greet you all of us of freedom. My name is Robert Chabakajere, aka Pastor Bam. By the grace of God.
So, okay, let me just play this one before we round up the program. I just want you to know that the line is still open in case you want to contribute. But before then, let us hear this woman again.